You will be happy to know that you can make condensed milk because I know a lot of people have trouble finding it. All you need to make it is sugar and milk. That is it. And you will get the exact same results as store-bought. In your heavy bottom saucepan, add in 2 cups of milk, low fat or full fat. And then add in 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Go in and stir around the sugar to make sure it's even, and then leave it be until all the sugar has dissolved. You do not want it to simmer at this point. So our milk has been heating for a few minutes and I can feel and see that all of the sugar has dissolved. That is perfect. So only at this point can we let it to start to simmer. So we are going to take out our spatula, we're not going to put that back in again, and we are going to turn down the heat and let it simmer away very gently. Not boil, but a low, steady simmer for around 30 to 40 minutes. I find that the sweet spot is around 35 minutes. So I often get asked, why can I not just use regular sugar in my homemade ice cream? Why do I have to use condensed milk? And the reason is you need condensed milk because it is liquid sugar, and you need that liquid sugar in your ice cream to help it freeze and to form your ice cream. That's why it's a really important ingredient. So our milk has been steadily bubbling away for 30 minutes. And as you can see, it has changed color and gone kind of almost like a creamy peachy color. And if you look around the edges, you have a little bit of foam, which kind of is called scum actually. What we're going to do is just remove that with a spoon dipped in a little bit of water. What this is impurities coming out of the sugar and out of the milk. And we just want to remove it to make sure that we have a nice, clean, clear condensed milk. I let the condensed milk simmer a few minutes longer because I wanted to get it a little bit darker in color and a little bit thicker. Now have a look at this. This has been simmering for 40 minutes. Now every time your time will change, give or take a few minutes. So you want to be able to tell what it looks like by eye, and that's why I'm doing this video. So what you're looking for is that your mix is thick and it will slowly dribble off your spoon. And also that the amount of liquid has around halved, which is exactly what you want. So I can see by looking at it that this condensed milk is ready. So I'm going to set it aside and let it go cold. Once your condensed milk goes cold, it'll look a little something like this. Lovely and thick and syrupy. So if you really want to double check if you've made your condensed milk right, measure it out into a jug and the finished result should weigh around roughly 1 cup or 8 ounces. It'll be at the line or a little bit below it, and then you'll know you did a good job. And there you go, mystery solved. You can now make condensed milk at home and enjoy all of my ice cream recipes.